Well, I finally got one of these. An actual Lao box fan. This is a 20-inch model. Couldn't tell you right off the top of my head what the model number is since it's worn off. It's probably exactly the same vintage as the window fan version of this I have. Basically the same thing, only it's a box fan. I got this the same time I got the that Lasco. I did a video on the one probably from about 76 with the Marco motor and the big blades. Yeah, I got these two from the same person. Gave $20, $25 for this one, which is not bad considering he wanted $50 for it originally. So it is missing one of the weights off the blade, so it has a little bit of a vibration, and it weighs a metric ton. So I'll fire up on high real quick. I think it's awesome. I've wanted one of these for so long. It was kind of annoying trying to run my window fan on the floor without the keys getting chopped up in it. So, anywho, just a quickie on this one. Thanks for watching.